Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. As you can see, I'm in my kitchen and I'm really sorry if the sound is a bit weird. I know it's a little bit echoey as I'm in my kitchen, but I can't really do too much about that, so I'm sorry. Also, the lighting might be a little bit weird as I don't have my normal ring light. I actually have a little ring light that I use when I take client pictures. Like, you just clip it on to your phone, or in this instance my camera screen, and so far it's working pretty well. I'm just hoping it doesn't die and halfway through the lighting changes. Fingers crossed it doesn't do that. So basically, I've not even explained yet, but this video is going to be kind of like a little food shop cleaning haul. Not exactly sure what I'm going to call it yet, but I've got time. I've got time to think about it. So, just as well I go to the gym. I've got 2 bags of shopping. Now, I went to B&M's, Morrisons and Tesco's just for like loads of different bits really. This definitely isn't a monthly shop because I live on my own. I don't really do monthly shops. I basically go shopping every like week, sometimes every 2 weeks. Don't know if that's bad or not. However, I'm going to show you what I bought. So I got some cleaning bits, I got some food bits, and that's pretty much it. So I'm going to show you what I bought, like I've said about a million times already. Whilst I drink my vanilla Costa latte. Love Tassimos, so I do. Not that I have to explain myself, but I just thought these videos would be nice because I like watching these sort of videos from different YouTubers because I just feel like these kind of videos are interesting. I'm nosy. I like to see what people buy. I like to see what kind of deals they have got in the shops, in the supermarkets. That sounds so lame saying out loud. And also, of course, I like to see what cleaning stuff people buy, so at least if one person out there likes this video, then great. Love it. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Sorry, excuse me, I'm just tucking myself in. And I'm just gonna get started. I'm gonna start with the stuff from B&M's because let's be serious, out of Tesco, Morrisons and B&M's is the best. Okay, first off, I got my favourite fabric softener. I've used this ever since Mrs. Hinch caved me to change my fabric softener from Comfort Strawberries and Lilies, I believe it was called. Now I am a Lenore Spring Awakening gal and I will not change. You get 83 washes in this. I don't know how much is actually in this. 2.905 litres, and it's £1 more to get this compared to the one that does like 25 washes, so makes sense to get the biggie in. The bigger the better. That was lame. Next, I'm going to show you some more washing stuff. I got Unstoppables. I didn't used to buy these until about 6 months ago. Again, Mrs. Hinch, thank you. Now I can't live without them. You can do so many things with these. Like pretend you're playing the maracas. But yeah, you can do so many things with these, and I think I might actually do a video with ways you can use these Unstoppables because you don't just use them for in the wash, at least I don't. I got the 285 gram one. Normally I get the largest one, but B&M's didn't have it. I think these were £5, $4.99, and I always get the fresh set. Next, I got some bleach, just your original Domestos bleach, just because I didn't have any more of this and I needed it, and I think this was £1. I got some more ironing water. Again, I think this was £1. I'll tell you a funny story, and everyone seems to laugh at me for this, but I actually used to get my ironing done. Yes, I used to pay for someone to do my ironing because I hated doing it. And then once I discovered ironing water, it just makes it a lot more fun. You're making your clothes smell even nicer, and I don't know why. I don't know why I used to pay to get my ironing done really, because it doesn't even take that long. And see, when you're up to date with it and living on your own, you don't have too many bits of clothes to iron. I think I was just being lazy. That was the issue there. But yeah, I got some ironing water, and this is the Comfort Intense Fresh Sky, and you get 1 litre, and this actually does last quite a long while depending on how much you're ironing, obviously. Okay, so I got 50 15 litre pedal bin liners, and I think they were like £1 or something, I'm sure. Okay, this next thing is pretty random. I got Decorators flexible filler for those, like, I don't know if you call them silicone guns, I think you do call them that. Basically, I'm only just getting around to like filling up some holes that are in my skirting boards and just around doors and just like little places that need to be filled with filler. I've only just got around to doing that, and I bought a tube not that long ago and I've used it all, and there's still places that need to be filled up. So I got this, and I believe this was £1.99. Okay, next I got a notepad. This was £1, baby pink. I got this, which is quite small, got plenty of pages, plenty of pages. I got this basically to plan videos because I have another notepad which is like a to-do list, and I've wrote down videos to film. However, I wanted a notepad to like do detailed writing of the videos that I'm planning, if that makes sense. Videos that need planned. Some videos don't need planned, for instance like this video doesn't need planned, but I thought this would be a good idea. So £1 for a cute baby pink notepad. Next I got some of these Marigold lightweight gloves, basically just to use whilst cleaning around my house. I've got gloves for doing the dishes, but I don't really like using those gloves to do the cleaning too, so I thought we'd get a separate pair, and I think these were like £1. Next I got some feminine products, which I'm just going to show because according to my analytics, most people who watch my videos are female, so I'm just going to show these. So the first product I got were tampons. These are the super tampons, you get 18 in them. Oh, and the reason why I got these ones specifically is because they're like the plastic applicator, so you like, this is so TMI. So when you like put it up, you pop it and it, yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. And the other feminine product I got were these Femme Fresh Intimate Hygiene Feminine Wipes. I just like these because you never know when you're going to need them, and I think I'll just leave it at that. They were like £1 or something, I'm sure they were. Okay, next, and I think this is the last thing I got from B&M's, a pack of angel cakes, Mr. Kipling angel slices. Now these aren't the greatest, and I am going to the gym and trying to eat healthy, so these aren't the greatest, but I do believe in not fully restricting yourself, so I just thought I would get them because I was with my sister and she picked a box up, and I just thought it would be rude if I never picked a box up. Okay, now on to what I got at Morrisons. I think I only got 2 things from Morrisons, or did I get 3? Yeah, I only got 2 things from Morrisons. This is really random, but I got Lurpak. It was on offer. I only buy Lurpak when it's on offer, if I'm honest with you. It was £3, and this is for the 500 grams. I love Lurpak. If I don't buy Lurpak when it's not on offer, I buy the Aldi's kind of own, I think it's called Norpak, but you can't go wrong with Lurpak. There's just nothing that beats it. So it was £3, and I thought, bugger it, I'm going to treat myself to some Lurpak. And do you know what? That is when you realise that you're an adult and you live on your own, when you think a wee treat is getting real Lurpak, and it's not even the reduced salt version. It's a full fat. I had to change my memory card, and I've just realised I've probably moved the position of the video, and the little ring light has also died, but I feel like that died a while ago and I didn't realise, so sorry about that. I'm not refilming it, I'm not. Sometimes this stuff happens and you just need to get on with it. So the next thing I bought from Morrisons was a little cream egg. Yep, I got a cream egg because I saw them and I wasn't buying the pack of 6, I just wasn't doing it. So thought I would treat myself to a cream egg, which I am definitely going to demolish after I film this video. Okay, so now on to the stuff that I got from Tesco. I got 2 packs of the New York original bagels, just because I love a bagel, or a bagel as I call them. Oh, you can just have bagels with so many different things. I love having bagels with scrambled eggs, bacon. I love a bagel in Philadelphia. I just love them. You cannot go wrong with them. So I bought 10. Oh, and they were like £1 each. I'm sure they're on offer at the moment in Tesco. And I also got some Philadelphia. I never got the full fat. I got the light version. I'm trying to eat the light version compared to the full fat because, well, I suppose it's better for you and all. But that was £1. Next, I got some eggs, and by some, I got 15. And yes, I do eat lots of eggs, that's why I got 15. Surprisingly, I actually go through eggs a lot. Like, I eat eggs, I don't know if it's bad for you, but pretty much every single day. Next, from Tesco, I've got a little dish Mattock. I use dish Mattocks a lot. I have 2, do I have 2 or 3 now? I think this might be my 3rd one. I got this so I could use in my bathroom. I want to fill it up here with Flash Bathroom, the liquid version, and just use it to clean my bathroom, obviously. I believe this was £1.50. And last but not least, I got some chewing gum. These are the extra minis, sorry, plural. Spearmint, 100 pieces. I think these were £1. And yeah, I got them just to put in my car. I'm going to open them. Oh, I'm trying to show you without them falling out. Can you see? They're definitely falling out. But that's what they look like. So guys, that is this video complete. That is everything I got from B&M's, Morrisons and Tesco's. It was quite random, wasn't it? It was a weird bunch of things. However, I needed them all. If you do like these kinds of videos, please let me know in the comments. As I said, I like watching them. So I hope that some of you liked watching my cleaning food shop haul, whatever I decide to call it. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and please comment down below if you would like to, and also subscribe if you haven't already. And I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys!